Hey, Chris here from Prima Coffee Equipment. Today we're going to answer the question, is the Clever coffee dripper a pour-over dripper? And our answer is, well, kind of. So traditional pour-over dripper just means that you are slowly adding water to coffee throughout the entire brewing process. So the entire time you're very involved, very gradually introducing the water to the coffee. On the other end of that spectrum, we have a full immersion method. A full immersion is a method in which all of the coffee and all of the water meet at the same time, and they sit for a while, and then they're filtered all at once at the end. And the Clever is somewhere in between that. With the Clever, you actually do use a normal paper kind of cone-shaped filter like in a lot of pour-over methods. You add the coffee, you pour the water over it, so you are pouring water over, but it doesn't actually go anywhere. At the bottom of the Clever here, you're probably familiar with this mechanism, which is only deployed once it hits the edge of a cup. So all of the coffee and all of the water are sitting, mingling together, but you are still implementing that pour-over technique. So it kind of feels like both. And these are some other pour-over drippers that you might compare it to. So this is a B-House. A B-House actually has a very similar cone shape, kind of a wedge actually, to the Clever. The difference is that it doesn't have this mechanism at the bottom. So you have to pour it in such a way that you're going to be able to draw out that brew process. V60, very familiar. Very simple, large hole at the bottom, no mechanism. It's especially important with the V60 that you're able to pour slowly and control that flow. The Clever, not that way, and this is one reason that we really love the Clever. It's exceptionally easy to use because, like a French press or like an Eva Solo, you just add coffee, add water, and it sits. It's a little confusing because it has that cone shape, and you do have to actually pour water over it, but because of those reasons, because it sits there with the coffee the whole time, we put it in the category of immersion brewing. We say it's not a pour-over dripper. Still, makes a great cup of coffee, and we love it.